Yeah, boy. Always will do this. Test without microphone, external microphone or Canon SL2. Yeah, so testing. That's with Canon 17 to 40 lens. Now I wanna see if the microphone would be better.
Do you like them?
Art museum? I'm not sure.
I don't think so.
And you like them?
Yes.
We could go then.
Yes.
Yes.
Tomorrow. Are you in love with yourself?
No, I'm just testing how camera works with this.
No, the thing from your phone?
This is microphone external.
You must got a lot of money.
No, it's all. Yes, it is. I think.
Could be a week old. Yeah.
I bought
old.
it free.
It's a week old.
Two.
Old.
Well, you can check on my YouTube if you
Let me
don't
see.
believe. I can.
Show me some videos where you.
Yeah, I unbox it.
How do I know when you unboxed it?
So, cook pierogi. Pierogi will be cooking soon. But water first have to be cooked. Water, and then we will see in 5 or more minutes. And I can test other mess. No, maybe not. So now I'm testing microphone. How it goes with this camera. The Rode video mic. Disconnected. Have you connected and it stay better? Not sure.
So you want a new router or what?
Depends what they say.
Well, I'm pretty sure you're going to get it for free no matter what.
If I give, then yeah. Water cooking.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! So let's put pierogi inside. Okay.
What it would be like if we put you in a pierogi? You did a
Wow. Too much.
Would you be tasty?
Too much. Still too much. Number 4 will be better. Oh, very good. Hope not too much. Now I take this. We need to mix it like here. think we put too much water, so I remove some water. Is this lens good for vlogging? Canon 17-400 on SLA2 camera, or is it too wide angle or too what? Or maybe 16 milliliters is better. I'm not sure. Here I have my Canon M100 with Sigma 16 millimeters. I put it to a safe spot and let's see. Wow, this one has more. Let's do more wide angle. I am afraid to keep it here. So pierogi are cooking, and we still testing microphone VideoMicro to see if lens movements are hearable with this microphone. To camera.
Camera?
Yeah.
Does it talk back to you? Huh?
Yes.
What's it say?
I don't know.
Does it say you're a freak?
No.
Maybe it should.
It says brr, 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 brr. But it moves here.
4 games on 2 goals and 2 assists.
Oh, pierogi cooking. We have to
Easy.
mix them.
How'd your friend like her mail the other night?
Who?
How'd your friend like her mail the other night?
That guy?
What?
How my friend liked that guy?
No, her meal. Dinner.
Ah. Yeah, she liked it. I scored. Nice.
2 for the geeks.
I'm not sure how long they should be cooking. Maybe it says here. I'm not sure how long they cooking on. It says cook uncovered for 4.5 minutes. So according to it, should be cooked. Maybe I should take one out then.
It's gonna be a fight. You just failed. Yes.
I put camera back here. Yes, I am. I gave it to him because he's super hungry. Or maybe I give him more because he is hungry. I'm not that much hungry. Two more. Okay. Now I give it to him. Let's give it.
Sorry. Oh, thank you. The camera down now.
I bring sauce. That's probably not sticking here. It should. It's loosened.
So how's your sister doing, okay?
Yeah.
You eating?
Yeah. So yeah, this video contains test of microphone, Rode video mic. I will not test the videos, but there are microphone, external one, like my one over. Oh, we'll see. Maybe it's better. Yeah, one side here. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.